Ever wondered why some small YouTubers fail to grow while others flourish? Navigating the world of YouTube, especially for smaller creators, can seem like navigating through a labyrinth. It's complex, often confusing, and filled with potential pitfalls. And yet, some manage to overcome these hurdles, growing their channels into successful platforms. The key difference? Avoiding common mistakes. Today, we'll identify and discuss 10 common mistakes that small YouTubers make. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Insufficient research. Imagine you're preparing a meal without knowing what ingredients you have or what your guests prefer. The result? Likely a dish that's less than satisfying, and that's precisely what happens when you create content without adequate research. Research helps you understand what your audience wants to see and how they want to see it. It gives you a roadmap to content that resonates. Without it, you're shooting in the dark, which can lead to irrelevant content. And we all know, irrelevant content is a one-way ticket to low engagement. Research also helps you stay ahead of trends, ensuring your content stays fresh and appealing. Think of it as the secret sauce that adds that extra zing to your content and keeps your audience coming back for more. So always remember, research is the key to creating relevant and engaging content. Mistake number 2. Ignoring SEO. Search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO, is a powerful tool to improve your video visibility. It's the process of tweaking various aspects of your content to make it more attractive to search engines. This can include optimizing your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords, using accurate tags, and even your channel's overall theme. Why is this important? Well, think of SEO as the beacon that guides viewers to your content. Without it, your videos can get lost in the ocean of content that is YouTube. It's like having a party, but forgetting to send out the invitations. No matter how great your content might be, if it's not optimized for search, it's harder for people to find it. In the end, ignoring SEO is like hiding your video in a crowd. Don't make that mistake. Harness the power of SEO and let your content shine bright for everyone to see. Mistake number 3. Inconsistent posting. Picture this. You're binge-watching a thrilling series and suddenly the episodes stop coming. Frustrating, right? This is exactly how your subscribers feel when your channel lacks a consistent posting schedule. In the dynamic world of YouTube, consistency plays a pivotal role in keeping your audience engaged. It's not just about uploading videos. It's about building a relationship with your viewership. Now imagine your channel as a TV show. Viewers tune in at the same time each week, expecting new content. If the show doesn't air, they'll likely switch channels. The same principle applies to YouTube. Regular uploads create anticipation and foster a sense of loyalty among your audience. Moreover, the YouTube algorithm favors channels that post consistently, boosting your visibility and channel growth. So, set a realistic schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or 3 times a month, consistency is what counts. Remember, consistency is key in YouTube. Mistake number 4. Neglecting thumbnails and titles. Imagine you're in a bookstore. What first catches your eye? The cover of a book or its title, right? Similarly, on YouTube, your video's thumbnail and title serve as your book cover. They're the first things viewers see when they're browsing. If they're not compelling, it's likely that potential viewers will just scroll past. Think of your thumbnail and title as a mini movie poster. They need to tease your content, spark curiosity, and make viewers want to click. Make it count. Mistake number 5. Poor audio and video quality. Imagine this. You stumble upon a video that seems interesting, but the audio crackles and the visuals are fuzzy. Would you stick around? Most likely, you wouldn't. This is the reality for viewers encountering poor audio and video quality. It's a quick way to lose potential subscribers and viewers. Now, you don't need Hollywood-grade equipment to make good content. A decent smartphone camera and a quiet room can do wonders. For audio, consider investing in a good microphone. There are plenty of affordable options out there. As for video, lighting is key. Natural light is your best friend, but a simple ring light can also make a huge difference.
Now, you know what mistakes you have to avoid. Now you have to learn about YouTube algorithm. Click on this video, we will meet there.